Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video. A glorious EP3 in the house today. Now, one that we've seen before. We tuned it some time ago. He's only had one modification since. He's added the Tegiwa leaf eater. But we are going to tune it because he wants flames on launch control. So flames on launch control he shall get. Let's get to it.
We talk about Robocop for some reason.
Yeah, I just said I watched the new Robocop again. Well, it's not new now, but when it was, obviously, I watched it originally and I didn't like it, and I tried to watch it again at the weekend. I still didn't like it.
I did like Robocop 3, but you didn't even know there was a Robocop 3.
No.
Robocop 1 and 2 I could deal with, but
I don't think that either of that touched on the original, to be fair.
Nah, man, nah.
Anyway, EP3.
EP3, yes, black EP3. We've seen a beautiful car. We've seen this before. We've done map revision since, so this was mapped in 2023, and the customer wanted flaming launch control, which he certainly got. Modification wise, we finished with a little less power than we seen it here originally, but the only modification he made was going from a K&N induction kit with an open cone to a Tegiwa leaf eater. We sort of expected that before we started.
Yeah, he lost sort of a little bit of brake horsepower across the whole range, really, didn't he? I think we were 227 when it left last time.
Yes, that was peak, figures.
Peak figures, but you can sort of see it's lost everywhere, can't you?
Yeah, now the graph that I've got up on the screen in a minute that you guys will see is our starting point today to our finish point today.
Yeah.
So we needn't go into the Tegiwa leaf eater. But yeah, we've still, we've made gains on how it came in, and he's got his obviously his overrun still, which he had from last time I really enjoyed. And now he's got his flaming launch control, which seems to be very, very popular. Some people out there might like flaming launch control and some people might not, but it's the customer's choice. It's not necessarily a must. Obviously, if you guys are watching these videos at home and you see massive flames coming out the back of these cars and that's not something that you want, don't feel like you come here and you have to have that. You certainly do not.
No, it's car by car basis.
Yeah, it's completely up to the customer if he wants that. And again, like I say, some people love it and some people hate it.
Yeah,
I love it.
Yeah, I like the launch control flames that we've managed to do. Pops and bangs and overrun is nice, but at the same time, if you're thinking about doing another track days with it, you can't have it because they get quite mardy about that, don't they?
They do. We both got black flag, didn't we?
We did,
But
yeah.
then again, my car's now road legal, because if you see pops and bangs and flames, generally you haven't got cat.
No.
So it does draw attention to yourself.
It does,
if you're
yeah.
driving past PC Plod.
For sure.
For sure. And it's getting harder and harder and harder and harder.
Yeah, for
to get an
MOTs
isn't it?
and stuff, it certainly is, ain't it?
So we are advising, sports cat, let's tune them up. You'll still make power and you remain road legal, and it won't be such a faff at MOT time.
Yeah, for sure.
MOT time, it is nearly tea time.
Tea time? Yeah, I suppose it is. About 3:30, isn't it?
I think it's probably about 4 o'clock. But needless to say, it's time to look at the graph, so let's do that.
Let's have a look at the graph.
Let's do it. So there we go. Okay, so the graph. Red line is as she came. Red line as she came in. Blue line as she leaves. A little bit of wheel horsepower made there. Finishing on 224 brake horsepower. 196 at the wheels. Yeah, another one in the bag. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like to subscribe and all that jazz. If you've got an EP3, you need some help with parts or tuning or servicing and maintaining, or in fact, if you need some paint work, we've got a body shop next door, Uncle Keith's Paint Shop. So we'll definitely quote you on that. But otherwise, we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.